Hi, I'm Harika. Tell me about your company or your products or service.
So Diabetacare is a comprehensive diabetes management company, which wherein we have integrated technology in the management of patients who are suffering from diabetes or who have or even pre-diabetes kind of a thing. So this is more today what we have usually is people get a glucometer in their hands to manage their diabetes and they check whenever it is required, whenever it is not required. So one of the key USPs is where we have a comprehensive diabetic management. So when a patient comes into a Diabetacare clinic, so he not only meets a diabetologist, but he also has his eye screen, foot screen, has a nutritional consultation, and also gets a glucometer, which is a SIM-enabled glucometer. So whenever he tests, so there is a alert in our call center, and if he has a high glucose or a low glucose, our nurses will call them and figure out why there is a high glucose, why there is a low glucose, and also advise accordingly. And even if there is a medication change that is required in terms of the insulin dosage and other things, so that is also advised over the phone or through an app that is there. And if the patient doesn't check, then also we will know that this person has been checked for a long time. So we will call up and say that why haven't you checked, why don't you check, and then let us know what's happening.
Let me ask you, how is your company unique from other companies?
How is your company?
Unique.
So no other company has a proactive patient management. Today it is all the model is a fee for service. So the patient goes to a doctor and then the doctor gives the medication or the dietitian gives a diet chart and that ends there. But wherein we call the patient regularly and motivate the patient so that he can manage his diabetes. So it is a proactive engagement from the medical fraternity rather than the patient being proactive about his disease.
You're basically providing patient-centric services.
Yes.
And how's your experience at THIT?
Pretty good. Been an interesting group of audience that we have seen a mixture of doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs, and all those things. So it's been pretty good.
Thank you so much.